Oh, good morning or good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Just want to show you the unboxing of this vase I got today, or vase if you're in America. It's so well packed that it just inspired me to make a video. Well, this box, which has undoubtedly got bubble wrap inside it, and the vase is inside there. This box was bubble wrapped. So that box had bubble wrap around it, and it was inside that box. So it's got 2 layers of bubble wrap and boxes. I've never seen that before. I've heard of people double boxing things, so the walls of the box are stronger, but I've never seen a bubble wrapped box in a box before. So that was extremely well packed. Anyway, let's set the camera down and I'll open it and show you what's inside. Right, let's hope our memory doesn't run out. See if we can get into this. And these are what we call Franken boxes, by the way. Which means the seller didn't have a box to fit. So they've made a box, which always works well. Bubble wrap in the box. It's a new one on me. If the contents of the box are sufficiently well packed, you don't really need to bubble wrap a second box around it. But anyway, chances are it survived. Just check we're still in frame. Yeah, it looks okay, not too bad. Take the plastic off boxes and recycle it. Take the parcel tape off it and then reuse the cardboard. Guessing, I think I know which one this is. I've sent boxes to America with half the packing of this and they survived. So he obviously wanted me to get it in one piece, so fair enough. Look at this lot. Basically what you do is you bubble wrap it, maybe a bit more bubble wrap than that, and you put it in a box big enough so that the vase doesn't touch the side of the box, and then so you've got a box like this big, and then you fill the rest of the box with packing chip, and it has to have at least about 1.5 inches, 2 inches around between the item and the side of the box. And then when you shake the box, the item is suspended in packing chips. So that's how you do it. Stuff on the floor. You're like a kid at Christmas. Tired, can't be bothered, but unwrapping presents, so it's got to be good. There we go. The moment of truth. Wow, look at that. Anyway, look at this. Look at that beauty. All hand painted. An antique. Beautiful handles on it, look. No damage on it. If you're guessing who made it from the style, I can tell you who made it. One little chip on the foot that really, for an antique of this age and this quality, I'm not really worried about the chip. Would have been nice to have it perfect for a museum piece or a collector's piece, but considering it's well over 100 years old, I'm not really bothered about that. You can see the foot's not damaged, it's just got a little dink on the paintwork. Well, anyway, right inside there, this way up, there's some writing in there. So in there's some writing, and that says Kinkozan made. Kinkozan Zo, basically. So it's a Kinkozan vase. And dates around the Meiji period, which would be somewhere between 1868 and 1912, I believe. You can see the age on the foot. This is wear and dirt on the foot, where they don't glaze the foot, and it becomes worn and aged. And you can date pieces quite often by the wear on the foot, if they're authentic anyway. I have seen vases where they've made modern vases, and to make them look old they've dipped the foot in gravel or painted it brown paint to try and make it look older. Anyway, look at that. Gorgeous, mate. And you wouldn't believe how much or how little I paid for that. Anyway, I'm a bit at 2 and 6 because the postman's just been to wake me up, and you can see some more little vases in the background there. Vases, sorry. I say vases, I've got that, picked that up from America, but it's easier to say. Let me show you my little Watano, my Katani Watano in the background. Katani, red iron oxide, geisha design, food dog handles, and signed on the base. I picked a matching pair of those up in a thrift shop in town for under 10 quid. So all of these are for sale on my eBay. So you're welcome to go and have a look at my eBay. It's Innovision69, Innovision_69, and I'll put a link in the description. Anyway, that's my little video. Thanks very much for watching. I also have some vases by Kusube Yaichi, who is a famous Japanese potter who won the Order of Cultural Merit and all kinds of other awards. I'm not sure, but I think he was designated a living national treasure in his time. But his vases have sold for 5-figure sums at Christie's, so you can go and check those out on my eBay as well. I'll show you a simple one, which I've got to hand, but I've got a couple of more high quality pieces which are like museum pieces, which I'll be adding in due course. This is a yaichi, big one. It's about 10 inches. Geisha design again. Satsuma. That's a cherry tree. Geisha woman or girl with bamboo. And another tree might be a willow. And the gold relief on it and the raised enamel is called moriage. But yeah, no flaws on that one at all. And that's kusube yaichi signature. Not quite as old, but still a very nice vase. So that will be for sale if anyone's interested. And just out of interest, a lot of these vases, you can't see inside it, but a lot of them have contained ashes at some point, as in funeral ashes, but you can clean them out quite easily. Real Satsuma is not porcelain, by the way, it's stoneware. So when you tap it, it should make a dull thudding sound and not a ringing sound like china. Anyway, so yeah, seriously, loads of packing there. It's like Christmas opening that. And just got this other one I'd like to show you. This is Kyoto Satsuma. Very nice raised moriage enamels on it. Enamels. And signed to the base by Toritei. If you want to go and look him up. Toritei, I believe. Meiji Period. That'll be for sale in due course as well. So the item's bubble wrapped in a box. The box was bubble wrapped in another box, and it had a plastic bag around it. And it had a plastic bag around it for rain protection. How's that for well packed? Can't wait to see it. Look at that beauty. Let me get the camera. Bop. You're like a kid at Christmas. Be careful how to do this. I don't want it to fall over and break on camera. That would be bad, wouldn't it? That's my little video. Thanks very much for watching.